The silence is louder now that you're gone. Time reflecting on all that went wrong. Feel like we only made it halfway. Look at our photos and long for yesterday. I got no time left to cry. And to our love, I say goodbye. Oh, if you'd only meet me halfway, then I'd not be sit down today. I wanna write a song for you, one you turn to if you're blue. You can play it when I'm not near, or listen when you're full of fear. A melody from me to you, with words that are soft and true. Use my tune to soothe your soul. I'll be the greatest love you ever know.